Friends, today we will going to discuss a peculiar, very commonly asked in your question, how to study a Mathematica. Every student asks this because by knowing this way of studying the Mathematica drugs, you can have a benefit, maximum benefit in your clinical practice as well as in your university exam. So keep watching till the video end. We know by taking this point-wise systematic order, by knowing what is the name of the drug, common name, family, prover, introduction, sphere of action, pathogenesis. Okay, let's start.
Medicine. So when you go in your exam, if it is written that the Rostock medicine, then how can you represent in your exam? By written that Rostock, RHAUXTOX, then Toxicona, that is the full name of the Rostock. That is, you should write this name, full name of the Rostock you should write. That is the first point of your exam. Then second point is the common name. Write the common name of that drug. If we take Brownia, if the common name is wild herb, okay, that's thing you should write in your exam. That common name, then name. Third is the family. In family, which type of family is it? Solanaceae, Liliaceae, or composite family? Those family you should write of that drug. Then which is the prover of that drug? Such as if we medicine such as Aconitum napellus, then what happened in the Aconitum napellus? The prover will be Master Handyman. You should write. Then family. If we said family, Raniculaceae is the family of our Aconitum napellus. Okay, in that name, common name. What is the common name? Devil's helmet is the common name of Aconitum napellus. In that way, you should write these things first. Then in fifth point, that is introduction. In introduction point, we should write the general area where the Aconitum napellus. If we take the example of Aconitum napellus, it mainly act in the rheumatic fever, severe pain, joint pain, endocrine disorder. This in the introduction point you should write in that way. Okay. Then what is the sphere of action? Sphere of action means it is commonly asked in your question that how you should write a sphere of action of any drug. If we take the Aconitum napellus, it is mainly used in the sudden, violent, superficially those drugs which are found. In that case, we use the Aconitum napellus. In that way, in the Allen's, it is also mentioned in that in which I write in this manner, systematic manner, Allen's will be also published. So in that way, you should write the introduction point. Then where it is a sphere of action, it is mainly Aconitum napellus where it is nervous system, brain, serous, mucous membrane, cardiovascular. In that sphere of action means what? Sphere of action means those area it is mainly act. Aconite mainly circulatory system. Main area of aconitum is what? Circulatory system. In the heart disease we mainly use aconite. That's why you should write that sphere of action of the Aconitum napellus may be in the circulatory system. Then pathogenicity. What is pathogenicity? Means the action of any drug in the human body. What is the action in the human body? Clinical trial when occur proving those action which found in the human body is the pathogenicity. If we go the aconitum, the pathogenicity is the circulatory system, mainly it act by the paralyzing the nervous system, capillaries by tension and congestion. So these are the by inflammation. So this is the 7 point of the drug. Then constitution. What is constitution? Means physical makeup. Means if we say that which type of physical makeup aconite having the person which give we aconite, they may be rigid, dark hair, dark eyes, then pleotheric means some fatigue like behavior, sedentary life. These are the constitution of that drug. Then relation to the heat and cold. Then temperament means which type of a temperament. What happened, the temperament we mainly divided temperament into four types, that is sanguine, phlegmatic, choleric, melancholic. This is the differentiating picture by the Galen. Four types of a temperament. So which type of a temperament aconite belongs? Sanguine temperament, you can write that sanguine temperament. Then myasm. Myasm means what? Myasm is a very big topic. In shortly, if we say what is myasm, it may be sora, or it is psychosis, or syphilis. Aconite, in which case, which myasm we should give aconite? In the sora, means in the fast appearing inflammatory stage, where we use sora. Sora is the background, means functional disorder, heart disorder. When there will be congestive disorder in the heart, we use aconite. So this is a functional way disorder, we use aconite, that is its myasm. Then the relation to heat and cold, it is physical general, we also include the relation to heat and cold. Then diathesis. What is diathesis? Diathesis means what is the susceptibility to any disease. If we say the aconite, we discuss actually 12 point diathesis. If any drug having diathesis, you should mention in your exam. Then guiding symptom. In guiding symptom, we should remember by the mnemonic PQRS. What is PQRS? P for peculiar, Q for curie, R for rare, S for striking symptom. Okay, peculiar, then curie means what is the curie, then rare, which is the characteristic symptom, then striking symptom. So guiding symptom, by guiding symptom we reach our simillimum, which the medicine is a similar medicine for that drug. So in the, if we say the aconite having many guiding symptoms, such as it has a fast stage, suddenly, violently, like a storm, restlessness. It is also included in the triage of restlessness. Those person who having great fear, anxiety, there will be also huge fear and fright, dry, hot skin, then unquenchable thirst in the cold weather. These are the guiding symptom. Then the aconite, then elements for, means elements, which element other than guiding symptom, what are the elements from which we can, what are other factor of that drug, which from which we can find our symptom. Such as in the aconite, if we say the aconite, when elements means other what are the factor which causing that medicine choosing. Such as if a person going to dry cold air, northwest wind, he exposure to cold, that is the, it's a elements picture of the aconite. So heat stroke or fear of a fright, shock, heat of a sun, these are the elements. Elements means other than this factor, which are other factor which influence or for the disease, that is the elements from. Then physical general. What is the physical general? In physical general we study 14 things. What are the 14 things? That is constitution. In the physical general we ask the constitution, is it fatty or lean and thin, that is the constitution. Relation to heat and cold means, heat and cold relation means what, a person when we called hot person, when it is aggravated by hot climate. Those person which we called as chilly, when they aggravated by chill, means their condition becomes worse by cold application, that is the chilly patient. So by relation to heat and cold we can distinguish which type of a patient, is it hot or chilly. Then desire. In the desire, what we study in the physical element, in the desire point of the view, what the person wants to like most, means khata, mitha, or sweet, sour, which type of things they like most. Then abortion, which things they do not like, hatred, like such as some person are hatred by sour or cold or these are the abortion. Appetite, is it good appetite or bad appetite. Thirst, it is in the thirst point of view, is it a large quantity, long interval, water take, or small quantity small interval water take. How is it thirst? Then tongue, is it a dry trunk or brown trunk or a trunk coated with um, yellow? That is that type of things we describe in of that drug. Then salivation, is it a profuse salivation at night or profuse salivation at a day? That type of things we discuss. Then stool, is it a constipated person or diarrhea patient? The stool, how it is a thick thick or thin? That type of things we can ask. Then urine, profuse urine, frequently urine, when urine passes there will be burning sensation or what? This type of a question we asked. Then sweat, is it a profuse sweat or a suppressed sweat, or in the thuja there will be profuse at night sweating. Then in the ophidia, that is wet sweat occur. In the calcarea, that is cold sweat occur. This type of a things which we write in our exam. Then dream, dream means the sleeping habitat. Is it is the drug the person which acts which act the patient, is it having good sleep or interval, after some time the breakdown of the sleep occur. Then suppuration means some type, such as in the chamomilla the person who the in the eye from ear the suppurative pus acrid suppuration will be pus like substance which is appear, which is foul smelling, which is known as a suppuration. The pus which is that is called a suppuration. Then this is the physical general. Then mind symptom means what are the things they what is its mind, such as in the aconite they having great fear of anxiety, great fear and fright is the main symptom of our aconite. That is the mind symptom. Then particular, in the particular means what? Particular means those which region the drug, which region the disease appear most, means such as if we say that some drug act start from head to foot, that is the particular symptom. Okay, means that is the particular. Then general modality, in the general modality we discuss two things, aggravation and amelioration. Such as aggravation means those condition which causes the worsening of that drug, a symptom will be worse. Amelioration means relief of the symptom of, means such as in the Brownia case, if you see that loose motion causes aggravation, loose motion get aggravated by Brownia. So these are the general modalities. Then relation to remedy means what are the other drugs which are complement to that drug, means they may be complementary, may be inimical relation, may be antidote. Complementary means friendship, like inimical means enemy, means when we use antidote, in the inimic antidote means it is belladonna, chamomilla, coffea, these are the antidote of the aconite napellus. Whereas if we say inimical, there will be acetic acid, alcohol, these are the inimical relations with aconitum napellus. So in this way you should study our Matra Medica, so that the name, common name, family, prover, introduction, sphere of action, pathogenicity, constitution, relation to heat and cold, temperament, miasm, diathesis, grinding symptom, PQRS formula, then elements from physical general, mental general, then mind symptom, particular, general modality, relation of remedy, and relation of remedy must you should cover.